Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to make pumpkin and red date steamed buns. First, prepare a well-handled pumpkin. Slice it thinly. After slicing, place it in a plate. Then, steam it in a pot. Cover with a lid and steam for about 15 minutes. After steaming, let it cool. Transfer it to a large bowl. Use a spoon to mash it into pumpkin puree. This will give it a smoother texture. Add 3 grams of dry yeast. Stir it evenly. Then, gradually add flour in small portions. Add and mix simultaneously. Mix until you get a crumbly texture like this. The dough should be just the right consistency. Cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size. Next, prepare red dates. Add a little water and a spoonful of flour. Use the stickiness of the flour to clean the dust off the red dates. Rub them for 2 minutes. Then, rinse them several times with clean water. Place them on a cutting board and use scissors to cut them into small pieces. Remove the pits. Then, chop them finely. Like this, they'll have a better texture when eaten. Place the chopped dates in a bowl and set aside. Press the dough with your hand, and you'll see plenty of air bubbles. There are also many honeycomb-like holes. It's fermented like this. Add the chopped red dates. Mix the dough and red dates thoroughly. Combine them completely. Take the dough out and knead it. Divide it into evenly sized dough pieces. Here, I'm dividing it into 8 pieces. Knead each dough piece a bit. Gather the edges towards the center. Hold it up with one hand. Fold and seal any creases. Shape it into a bun. Like this, it's ready. After making them, remember to make a second fermentation after it's all done. This step is crucial. It should visibly increase in volume. Press gently, and it should spring back. That's when it's ready. This takes about 15 minutes. Place them in a steamer. Add cold water to the pot. Once the water boils, steam for 18 minutes. Because the buns are quite large, I steamed them for an extra 5 minutes. When the pot opens, the fragrance of the red dates and pumpkin melt together. Press them, they should spring back without collapsing, indicating they're fully cooked. As you can see, they are fluffy and soft. Perfect for a child's breakfast. Serve with a bowl of millet porridge. Nutritious and easily digestible. Because the red dates are finely chopped, each bite is sweet and flavorful. If you like it, give it a try. Please follow and watch for more home-cooked dishes. Thank you for watching.